Hello and welcome. I'm Laura. I'm a Canva creator and a Canva creator ambassador for the UK. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a gradient in Canva. There's a lot of great gradients in Canva already, but sometimes it's nice to be able to create our own, especially if we want to choose our own colors or a different amount of colors in Canva. Okay, so I've gone to canva.com. logged into my account, and I've just opened up a basic Instagram size template. What I'm going to do is add in a rectangle, and I'm just going to make it slightly smaller and longer so that I can add my colors in. You can do this horizontally, vertically, sideways, however you want. You can rotate them once you've put the colors in, but I'm going to go from left to right across my screen. Okay, so I'm going to duplicate this 3 times. I'm just going to stretch them out so they go across my full template. And I'm going to change the colors. I'm going to go for some really fun, quirky colors. Do we go for that one? Let's try it. Let's try it. Okay, so I've just added 3 colors and I want to turn these into a gradient or a blur so that they all blend in together. I need to download this, and I need to download it as a PNG file. Okay, so download your file. Once you have created your colors, you've got them in the line that you want them in, you download them. I'm just adding an additional page here to show you. Go over to upload. Find your PNG file and upload it back into Canva. So you've created your colors into an image file. Add it into your design. I'm just going to stretch out my now colored image. And I'm going over to this button here, edit image. Okay, and under the adjust section, click see all. You have this little guy here, blur. I love blur. He's my favorite at the moment. If you go this way, it will get sharper. So you know what I'm going to say. If you go this way, the colors blur together. And there you get your gradient that you can now use as a backdrop in your graphic, or you can add it into a shape. Let me show you. Frames in elements. Find a frame that you love. Let's find something a little quirky that we can add this into. This is an unusual looking paint splatter style one. If I now take my image that I have blurred and drop it into a frame, I now get this really awesome blurry image gradient style frame, which you've created. You have chosen the colors, you have blurred it, and you've dropped it into a frame. So this is something that you have created yourself. So that is how you create a gradient in Canva. So I've done it with 3 very distinct colors, but you can also do it with shades and tints of the same color. Here's a pink one, for example. If I go to edit image, see all, and then add the blur, you can see it starts to fade from light to dark, dark to light. I even done a crossways one. These are ones that I've already created the color lines, downloaded it as a PNG, then uploaded it back into Canva, clicked edit image and changed the blur. So again, you're beginning to get that really gorgeous light to dark, dark to light look in your gradient. Again, you can add these into frames. Let's go for a funny wheel looking one. Drop it into your frame. And then you get your gradient in a frame and it looks amazing. So that is it for this video. I hope you have enjoyed it, and I hope that you now go off and create some absolutely awesome looking gradients. I hope if you have enjoyed this for definite, please don't forget to follow and subscribe my channel, because there will be loads more videos like this, longer ones, shorter ones, different features, all to do with Canva coming up throughout the year. Okay, so that's me. Bye for now.